Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the GIGASTONE Game Pro 64GB DDR4 RAM kit. This kit comes with four 16GB sticks, running at a speed of 3200 MHz with a PC4-25600 rating. It's designed for gaming desktops and boasts a CL16 latency, 16-18-18-40. First impressions are solid. The black heat spreaders look sleek and should fit well in most builds. This kit supports Intel XMP 2.0 and AMD Ryzen, making it easy to overclock and get the most out of your system. The voltage is set at 1.35V, which is standard for DDR4 memory. For those unfamiliar, RAM, or random access memory, is crucial for your computer's performance. It allows your system to quickly access data, which is especially important for gaming, video editing, and other demanding tasks. 64GB is a sweet spot for many users, providing ample headroom for multitasking and future-proofing your system. The GIGASTONE Game Pro kit is a UDIM, or unbuffered DMM, which is the standard type of RAM for desktop computers. It has 288 pins, which is also standard for DDR4. The fact that it's non-ECC means it doesn't have error correction, which is typical for consumer-grade RAM. ECC memory is usually found in servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. Installation is straightforward. Simply insert the sticks into the appropriate slots on your motherboard, making sure to follow your motherboard's manual for the correct configuration. Once installed, you can enable XMP in your BIOS to automatically overclock the RAM to its rated speed of 3200 MHz. In terms of performance, the GIGASTONE Game Pro kit delivers. Games load faster, multitasking is smoother, and overall system responsiveness is improved. The 3200 MHz speed and CL16 latency provide a good balance of speed and responsiveness. The GIGASTONE Game Pro 64GB kit offers a solid upgrade for gamers and power users alike. The 3200 MHz speed and low latency ensure smooth performance in demanding applications, while the ample 64GB capacity provides plenty of headroom for multitasking and future-proofing. The XMP 2.0 support makes overclocking a breeze, and the sleek black design will complement any build. If you're looking for a reliable and high-performance RAM upgrade, the GIGASTONE Game Pro is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.